After launching Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G smartphone back in June this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in India, with AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80 Lite 4G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 563 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme Narzo 80 Lite 4G sports a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified secondary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,300 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 15, with Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.6 by 7.94 millimeters, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80 Lite 4G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 7,299 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 8,299 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 28th, in beach gold and obsidian black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 80 Lite 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.